Welcome to the Real Estate Influencers webinar on LinkedIn. Today, we're going to be covering LinkedIn. It's one of the top platforms. We're going to tell you everything you need to know about LinkedIn. I made this training today really easy for you all to grasp what is LinkedIn, how does LinkedIn work, how is it different from Facebook and Instagram and these other platforms, why you should be using it. And that's the cool thing about LinkedIn is LinkedIn comes from a very professional network. So actually, when you have a little fun on LinkedIn, you stand out. This is the agenda for today. I'm going to cover it. What does your LinkedIn profile need to look like? Or what kind of posts you need to do on LinkedIn? What types of posts get the most engagement on LinkedIn? We're going to go over the LinkedIn network. We're going to go over LinkedIn jobs, which is really what LinkedIn used to be known for. It was really a job site. We're going to cover LinkedIn networking, LinkedIn messaging, and LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And secret number one is how to show up on LinkedIn like a professional. Secret number two is how to build and leverage your LinkedIn reputation fast. Secret number three we're going to cover is how to make connections on LinkedIn easily. In 2002, LinkedIn was born. In 2005, LinkedIn launched ads. 2014, they launched the news feed. That was the game changer. 14.5 billion total revenue, 3.8 billion in advertising revenue, 900 million users. So here's the opportunity. Not that many people playing on LinkedIn. So if there's not a lot of people playing on LinkedIn, I'm going to go play on LinkedIn. Advantage number one is that LinkedIn is very professional. I like LinkedIn because it's professional. Advantage number two is it's super easy to stand out on LinkedIn. Advantage number three, super easy to do networking, super easy to upload your contacts. Huge advantage against other platforms. And if you got really good on LinkedIn, trust me, you can get a lot of business. I know so many realtors that are crushing it on LinkedIn. The LinkedIn home feed is where you go on LinkedIn and you click on home on the very top. And on the very top, you can see here, home, my network, jobs, messaging, notifications. Those are the primary tools of LinkedIn. Now, what are the most engaging types of content that you can post? Here's an interesting one, text-only listicles. What's a text-only listicle? Very weird word, right? What it is it's only text. And I'm not talking about a whole paragraph of text. I'm just talking about a few key points, right? People have a short attention right now. So a few key points or bullets, and that's it. Those posts do really well because people don't like to read a lot and people don't like to watch that much anymore. Number two is LinkedIn newsletters, brand new feature they just launched. Those are performing really well. Number three is when you post questions. Questions work really well on every single platform. The thing that's missing on social media for real estate professionals is you. You're missing. Your photo's missing. I see your listings. I see plenty of listings, but I don't see you as much. This is the gold. In most social media profiles, building your network is kind of tough. But on LinkedIn, you can use the desktop and you can use your database and you can use your spreadsheet. So what does that look like? I click on my network and here I am on my network, 1,500 connections, 3,730 contacts. You click on my network, you'll see all the people that have, reached out to connect with you and you can ignore or accept their request. It doesn't really work like that on Facebook and Instagram. That's why I'm loving LinkedIn. I can come in here, add more contacts at any time. I can export my contacts. I can manage my synced contacts. This is gold, right? This is going to make it super easy for you to connect all the people that you've been emailing back and forth. You go connect your email and boom, it starts making all these connections for you. And then you just have to start connecting to the people. Take a screenshot of this or take a photo of this. If you're on an iPhone, there's this tool called MC Backup. This is how you get all the contacts off your phone and into a spreadsheet. Super fast, super easy. This used to be what LinkedIn was all about. Just want you to know that's there. So if you're looking to hire or you're recruiting, LinkedIn is a good place to post. And here's the different job postings. This one is gold. Sending messages to people on LinkedIn. Now, a lot of you are going to see a lot of spam on LinkedIn messaging. Probably more spam on LinkedIn messaging than Facebook or Instagram right now. But that's where you have to come in and not sound salesy, okay? If you do messaging short and sweet, one-liners, quick questions, be personal. You're going to stand out in the noise of spammy messaging on LinkedIn. LinkedIn tools. These are additional tools that LinkedIn has. So you can post a job, you can get insights, you can do advertising. There's a lot of additional tools. LinkedIn ads, for example. Check this out. With 900 million professionals, you can do ads on LinkedIn to drive traffic and build awareness. For a lot of you to stand out and be unique, while everybody's doing their Facebook ads and their Instagram ads, you might want to consider LinkedIn ads for a change. They come out with new stuff all the time. Here's the latest 2 features. Very applicable to the real estate industry. Number 1 is called newsletters, getting super high engagement. You can add product pages on LinkedIn now. How can I use product pages for real estate? And this is the LinkedIn roadmap. Number 1 is make sure your LinkedIn profile is set up. Number 2, make sure you have a quality LinkedIn cover image. Make sure that's there. It has your branding. Step number 3, do the connections. And step number 4 is start doing some posts. Simple posts. Don't get over the top on this. Don't think about this too much. So we just keep going and going because we have to move with the market, everybody. We have to make changes as the market changes, as the technology changes. I'm always updating this stuff. You have any questions, email us at hello@realgrader.com. And I really thank you all for your time today. Wanted to make it efficient, power-packed, give you all the goodies on LinkedIn, give you the overview.